Hello and welcome to this 10-minute non-sleep deep rest guided relaxation. Please begin by finding a comfortable position. You could be seated or lying down. Any position that feels good as long as you are able to fully relax your body. Once you are in a comfortable position, you can close your eyes or place something over your eyes like an eye pillow or a scarf if that feels comfortable. And we'll begin with 3 deep breaths. As we take these breaths in a moment, you can inhale through your nose, you can exhale through your mouth or nose, and make the conscious effort to fully relax your body on that exhale. When you're ready, taking a full inhale in, feeling the air fill up your body, and as you exhale, softening your muscles, relaxing down. Again, on your next inhale, feeling the expansion of the air coming in. As you exhale, letting go of any extra tension. Last inhale, filling up. And exhaling, sinking your body down into the support beneath it. Now you can just breathe naturally. Feel your natural inhale and exhale rising and falling in your body. As we go through this practice, I'll bring your attention to different areas of your body to feel the sensations there. You don't have to move your body, just bring your mind's eye and attention to that part. We'll begin up at the top of the head. Bring your attention to the top of your head. You might notice if the back of your head is resting upon something. And you can start to relax your skull. Relax your forehead, your eyebrows, and in between your eyebrows. Notice the sensation of your eyes. Notice the feeling of your nose, your cheeks, and down into your mouth, your lips, the inside of your mouth and your tongue, and your jaw. Feel the sensations of your head and face, and bring a sense of letting go to this area. Scan your attention down into your neck and your throat, softening the muscles of your neck, relaxing your throat. And bringing your attention down into the tops of your shoulders and over to the right shoulder. Scanning down from that right shoulder, down the upper arm, feeling down into the elbow, down into your forearm, and down into your wrist. Down your hand to the top and palm of your hand and down through each finger. Really see what you can notice about the sensations in that right arm and hand. And perhaps let go, relax the muscles of your right arm and hand. Now bring your attention into the left shoulder and scan down that left arm from the upper arm to the elbow, down into your forearm, into the wrist, the top and palm of the hand, and out through each finger. Feel the sensations of that left arm and hand. Allow that left arm and hand to grow heavy and sink down. Now bring your attention back into the torso, into your upper chest and your upper back. Scan down your torso into your ribs and the middle of your back, feeling your stomach and your lower back. You can feel your waist all around your torso, noticing any sensations, perhaps acknowledging the feeling of your breath moving through this area. The more you relax this area of your body, the easier your breath will be able to flow. Bring your attention now into your hips, into your glutes, the front of your hips, your pelvis, your pelvic floor, allowing this area of your body to relax and let go. Now feel the top of the right hip and begin to scan down that right thigh, scanning down into the right knee, down into the right shin and calf, to the ankle, the heel, the top and bottom of the right foot, and out through the toes. Feel the sensations of the right leg and foot, and bring a sense of heaviness, softening, and relaxation to this side. Now bring your attention to the top of the left thigh. Scan down the left thigh into the left knee, down the shin and calf, into the ankle, to the heel, to the top and bottom of the foot, and out through your toes. Feel the whole left leg and foot. Feel that side letting go, relaxing down and softening. Now bring your awareness to encompass your whole body, feeling the sensations from the top of the head, the face, the neck, down to the shoulders, the right and the left arm, through the torso and the back, the pelvis, down through the right and left leg. Feel your whole body. Notice the sensations arising throughout your whole body. And allow your whole body to grow heavy. Sink down into the support beneath it. Relax and fully let go. Gently begin to bring your attention back into your breath and take a few deeper breaths in and out of your nose. As you breathe deeper, feel that breath moving in your body and begin to move your fingers or toes or any other part of your body that feels good. Just small, subtle movement, gently beginning to wake your body up again. As you're ready, you can begin to increase this movement just a little bit, stretching out, perhaps reaching your arms above your head for a full body stretch. Take your time. When you're ready, if you are lying down, you can come back up to sit and gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice today. I wish you all the best. If you enjoyed this, follow to learn more strategies to reduce stress and burnout. And if you have any requests for future videos, please leave a comment and let me know below.